Transferred on NC, my lords.
Ladyship, this is the case which was listed yesterday. Ladyship was pleased to remove the objections. Ladyship, the prayer in this matter is to expedite the divorce proceedings within a time-bound manner. The reason
when is the MC filed?
MC was filed, Ladyship, in 2022, 13th of April.
Why should we expedite it?
Yes, I'll tell you why, Ladyship. Ladyship, this is a case, it's essentially a child custody matter. Now, what is happening is that despite repeated orders passed by the guardianship court, upheld by the Honorable High Court, the mother is not giving me any access to my only child, only son, who was born after 7 years.
If she is not giving access, that is a remedy is different, not.
I understand. No, I'm giving the background, Ladyship. Now, that is my major grievance for me to file a divorce petition. Right now, I am out of my own house. She is staying in my property. I am staying in rented accommodation. Despite several orders passed by the Honorable High Court, upheld by the Supreme Court as well, she is not giving me any access. So, and what is happening in the guardianship in the MC case is a lawyer comes twice, the right to cross-examine has been closed. The paramour also, they are in conspiracy. Repeatedly, their rights have been closed. They move a memo for recall. It is 1,000 rupees cost is imposed and they recall. But several dates have passed and she's not cross-examining. The lawyer comes in because we are Christians by faith. She makes random questions like, do you know the 10 commandments? Just to delay time. And this has been going on for months, which is why we've been constrained to move an application in this particular case for a time-bound disposal. She will see the orders, number of times their rights have been closed. Then they come on the next day. Then she comes to the court herself, the lawyer, and say, today I'm not feeling well. I cannot cross-examine. And this has happened on 3-4 occasions. It's already mentioned in the order sheets. They are just wanting to delay the matter. So somehow I get frustrated. I give up on my child. I agree to whatever she says. And
even the petitions which are filed in 17, 18, 19 are also pending before the courts.
Ladyship, the 2019, there was a
2019 matters. They are going to clear all the 2019 pendency. Now, out of the way, court cannot pass any order to decide.
Ladyship, my only point is that the way the matter is proceeding.
If she is not complying with the orders of the court, not giving not permitting him to meet the children, you have a remedy.
No, that is a separate issue. That is only a background I gave, Ladyship. Why I filed for divorce? I was only wanting to meet my child, but when she made it so difficult and being in contempt of various orders of the court, I filed an MC. There's also a case of adultery. The pastor of the church where we were visiting, she was in an adulterous relationship with him, and he's a party to the case. Now, sometimes the pastor's lawyer takes a date, sometimes she takes a date, and they're both in collision with each other. And what is happening is that this matter is just dragging on. And Ladyship, my point is, what is my fault? I finished. I'm the only witness in this case. I've given my evidence 1 year ago. And Ladyship will see 10 dates have gone.
Please come.
Yes, Ladyship.
The petition is filed. Seeking a direction to the family court, Bangalore, for expeditious disposal of the divorce petition, MC number 2422 of 2022, in a time-bound manner. It is a case of the land counsel for the petitioner husband submits that the wife, on one pretext or the other, has been dragging on the matter and is not cooperating with the trial. It is also submitted that she had failed to comply with honor the orders of the or honor the orders passed by the court by several courts, and the father is not able to see the children.
Child, there's only one single son.
Yes. In those circumstances, unless this petition is disposed of at the earliest, it will cause a lot of injustice to the petitioner husband. The next para, the Honorable Apex Court had time and again had passed orders wherein the courts are restrained from passing orders directing the trial courts to dispose of the matters unless in exceptional cases. This is the MC of 2022, and this is pending in the Family Court, Bangalore. There are several cases which are pending, which are much prior to these cases, and everybody's problems revolves around these issues, and there cannot be an exception to this case. And this court finds no reasons. And the next para, this court has specifically directed the courts to complete the pendency by 2019. And at this stage, if again for a 2022 matter, out of the way, there cannot be any order. Hence, this court finds no reasons.
Ladyship may make one statement. Ladyship will record one thing. There should be no unnecessary adjournment sought. Ladyship has recorded that in
Court is
cases
not,
with.
court is not inclined to pass any order fixing the time frame. However, submitting considering the submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner, the court shall proceed with the matter without granting unnecessary adjournments.
I'm so grateful, Ladyship. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Yes. IA1 of so-and-so is filed to dispense with the production of the type copy of annexure A, B, C, D, F, and G. The IA is allowed.